Hey guys, Ali here. Just want to talk to you about why you should pick up the pencil and start drawing right now. And the good news is that it's just 1% talent and 99% hard work. Well, I just finished this commission. This is something my uncle requested me to draw for his new office. And it's just a nice ocean and a ship. Well, it turns out drawing the ocean, drawing the water is very difficult. I mean, I've been swimming my whole life, right? Every summer we go swimming back in Turkey, and I've seen the ocean, I've been on ships and all, but what drawing teaches you is pay attention to your surroundings. For example, it looks decent finally, I hope. However, it looked like this before, which looks like a desert, and that's not right. And even then, before, I didn't get the perspective right, so it took me many trials to get to this level where I finally have some chaotic, waves and clouds are there. Let's take hand, for example. When I tell you to draw a hand, only then you will realize you've never paid a single second of attention to your hand, what it looks like. It has 5 fingers. It's a certain color. It has some wrinkles. However, have you really thought about it, what your hand really looks like? That's why you should just pick up the pencil and try drawing your hand. At the end of that day, you're gonna end up appreciating how complex and beautiful your hand is that you take granted for. Same goes for everything. You can draw a human face, 2 eyes, a smiley face, 2 ears. Wait. What does an ear look like? How are those cavities? What is the shape like? I know it's something like mug. It's like this for sure, but what about the details it has? How does it reflect the light and why? When it's wet, it looks different. When it's dry, it looks different. My point is, the more you draw, the more you realize you understand nothing about the universe, and then it just becomes ever more beautiful for you. You just appreciate how complex, yet how simple and beautiful everything is. Call it God, whatever religion you believe in, whatever you believe in, just start drawing. You're gonna appreciate that even more. Well, yeah, that's what happened to me. I mean, I'm aware of my body. I go to gym, I try to train my muscles, biceps, triceps and all. However, only when I start to draw superheroes, I then realized, hey, anatomy is super complex. And you can't just copy someone else's work. You have to really understand and learn it so you can draw it in different angles. And then when I go to gym, when I look at the mirror, when I'm practicing, I pay more attention to my muscles. I go like, oh, there's this vein popping here. Oh, this muscle makes this kind of motion when I squeeze it harder. So even my gym routine is becoming more meaningful thanks to my drawing habits. Same goes with music actually. Universe is full of music. It's always playing something, but are you able to pick it up? Are you able to hear it? You only start to hear it once you pick up an instrument and try to produce that sound yourself. Only then you realize it's more than those 7 notes and all their vast combinations. So yeah, that's why. Pick up a pencil, pen, whatever, start drawing. It's not about the talent, just put in some time. You're gonna draw good, I promise you, and you're gonna thank me for it. I'm Ali, a New York-based comic artist. Looking forward to connecting with you guys here. Follow for more, talk to you guys soon.